In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. In order to start drawing in Microsoft Word, we've actually got to enable it. For most of you, it won't be enabled. I know this, it's not enabled for me because Draw is not seen at the top of the ribbon. So how can I enable it? Go to File, click Options, and then click Customize Ribbon. Then navigate to this side and scroll down until you see Draw, then just select this. Then click OK. You know it's worked, it's because it's now in between Insert and Design, and then you can select Draw. Now that we've enabled the drawing tools, we can start to use them. It gives you pre-selected and created tools, mouse, a lasso, a rubber, a pencil, and in various different colors and styles and tips. You can add more as well, like this. To start using it, you can just select one and then hold down your left mouse clicker to start drawing. Of course, this is typically used for individuals with a stylus or a tablet or an interactive whiteboard, but you can still use it using your mouse. To rub out these markings, just select the rubber and you can select it like that. If you select on the downward arrow, you can use a point eraser, which is simply you're removing parts of the strokes, or the eraser which removes the whole entire illustration or inking. You can also add backgrounds to help you. For example, maybe you're doing some writing freehand and you want to add some standard ruled lines in. You can do that like that. You can also, what I really like is, let me get rid of this one very quickly, turn your ink to shapes. So select a drawing tool. I'm also going to do ink to shape as well. And then I'm going to try and draw a circle, not very well, and it will convert it into a circle. And if I try and do a square, very poor there. I mean, that's a rectangle, not a square, but I think you get the point. That's terrible. Anyway, that's how you convert ink to shapes. And you can also do it for maths. If I select this one, you can write in your equation here. So if I did 1/2, it will convert that into an input. And then you can just select insert and there it is. Remember, in order to have the draw tool or draw tab at the top of your ribbon, you've got to enable it. So make sure you do that. If this video was helpful, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to enable the developer tools, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.